Welcome Mr. Neeraj. Today we will discuss about the eyesight issues. There are so many problems in the eyes which we can very easily control with the acupressure point or the TCM points or Sujok point or the reflexology points. So I will show you how you can solve all the problems related with the eyes. It may be eyesight, poor eyesight, it may be floater in the eyes, or it may be the glaucoma, or it may be some problem in the inside of the eyes where the eye picture is framed with the lens. Even then, every problem can be solved by reflexology point. One by one, I will discuss all these points on your hand. Please show me your hand. This is the reflexology point. This is the reflexology point for the eyes. Everything related with the eyes you can control by this point. Just what you have to do, you just keep on pressing this point from all the directions. Top, bottom and front. Just I am pressing, you press all these points, These points are directly related with the meridian also. In the finger you will find there is the heart meridian, pericardial meridian and lungs meridian. But all these meridians, we are not considering these meridians, we are just considering the acupressure points related with the eyes. You can press like this, everything. Similarly, you press this middle finger, same manner, all these points. This point is very good point for your eyesight problem. Moreover, eyes are related with the liver. You can paint this complete area with the green color. Same in the hand of right hand, you can press this point similarly like this, and you can also paint this point with the green color, and green color is the wind energy, and wind energy will increase the power in the eyesight also. Now come to the eyes reflexology point. How you can improve your eyesight vision. There is a one point. This point is called the bamboo point. This point is called the bamboo point. When you press this bamboo point, it increases the energy in your complete meridian. The meridian is UV meridian, one point. When you press this meridian point, the energy goes from your head, your spine and to the leg. It means every point, every meridian, every organ is being activated, energized, and the energy flow in each and every point, organ point, as well as in the spinal cord, in the brain also. Just you hold your eyes, your thumb like this. Number one point. You can press it for 30 seconds or more you can press according to your problems. Now come to the another point. That point is just at this place. Above this eyebrow. You need not to press the thumb. Your head will automatically press the point. This point is very good for the eyesight. Anything related with the eyes. Then come to the next point. Just center of the eyebrows. Just center of the eyebrow. There you will find a V-type cut in your eye cage. You press this point regularly for 1 minute or 30 seconds at bedtime. When you are in the bed, you are relaxing and all the energy is flowing in your body. You can press this point like this. Again you can press this point just end of the eyebrow. For 30 seconds, 40 seconds you can press the same point. Again you come to this point. You press this point for your everything related with the eyes. Next point, this is the point related with the stomach meridian. This point is related with the stomach meridian. You know the stomach is very important organ in the body. If your digestive system is okay, your hormone production is very okay. When your hormone level is very good, your mental level will be very good, and you press this point like this. You can push this clockwise, anti-clockwise, or you can push the straight pressure also. These are the acupressure points. Now I will show you some exercise. Exercise of the eyes. Just stand up and rotate your eyeball. In that condition, your teeth should be closed. Your jaw should not move. If you will move your jaw, the eyeball will not move. Therefore, it is important to close your jaw like this. Then you start your eyeball in a clockwise direction, then again in an anti-clockwise direction. As I am moving, you can follow me. Next exercise for the best eyes for the eyes. You see upward, immediate downward, left extreme, right extreme. Again, you have to keep your jaws closed. Your head will be stable and your teeth will be closed. Only your eyeball will have the movement. It may go up, it may come down, it go right, go left, and all the direction you can rotate it. You can also rotate it clockwise, you can also rotate it anti-clockwise. I am sure if you follow this exercise for your eyesight, you will be getting 100% result. Thank you, Neeraj, so much.